Look at this place. This is the entrance.
The king.
For the king, for our apartment. So it's like a very, what do you say, like a historic building, but it's like a...
Sorry, big room. This is like a marble. Yeah, very nice in here.
Look at the floor, how it's decorated. You want to go on the lift?
Maybe I will take a ride with the smallest elevator on earth. I think this is the smallest I have ever seen. And you?
It's very small. They just made them.
Oh no, the other one is smaller than.
Wow. Really.
Let's begin the ride. I'm in the smallest elevator.
We are really squeezing in here.
Maybe there is somewhere even smaller. No?
Maybe. Yeah, but we hardly fit in here. I don't think it's for 3 people in here. Well, it depends. Okay, so we just made it to the 5th floor. So in here we just have to keep going, and we still have to go to the attic.
Ah, there is no elevator to the attic?
No.
No. That was the place for the servants in the attic?
Just attics. Yeah, some servants, they used to live. Just like that, we just made it to the room. We arrived to our hotel. Here in Paris, we are very close to the... we are very close to the Arc de Triomphe. And it took us like 20 minutes to come from the Gare du Nord to this apartment. We are exactly in Charles de Gaulle Étoile. Is the station that just leads you to the Arc de Triomphe. So it's very touristic area. Champs-Élysées in here. Probably 30 minutes walk to the Eiffel Tower. It's a very convenient area. What I can see in here is it's just a room. It's very tiny. It's like I don't know, 15 square meters probably.
Like a bed seat, no?
It's a bed seat. We have a double bed. And in here apparently we just have like a typical Parisian table from a brasserie. We have a TV like very squeezed in here. We have safe, drawers, little shelf. Oh, they have just some glasses. Small ironing table board.
Super tiny bathroom.
This is the bathroom. Very, very super tiny bathroom. Shower. This is the shower. Little sink. And we're back in the room. Nothing too fancy. We're gonna stay here some 3 full days, and we are gonna be visiting the city, touristic stuff, you know, going Champs-Élysées, we're walking around the Louvre, Eiffel Tower. We have a day prepared for to visit the Eiffel Tower and climb up on the stairs and going to the second level. Walking around the Seine, probably some museums around, and what else?
And I just wanted to say that we paid for this apartment 800 euro for how many nights? 4 nights. As you said, early April. So this is like, I would say it's really super tiny for the price. I was expecting something a little bit bigger, but it's Paris. The location is probably really fantastic. But tell us, guys, what are your experiences of Paris? Where did you stay? What are the prices? And I was just thinking about comparing that to Dubai, that for very similar price and I think the same number of days, we got a huge apartment, like I think 140 square meters. So different cities, different experiences.
Europe has a price. But if you want luxury and big space, maybe it's not such a bad idea to go to Dubai when it's possible to go. Alright, well, so remember, click like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Watch the other videos. Probably you're gonna like it. See you then.